Hi everyone, I hope you're having a good day today. Welcome back to my new video. Do you want to download older version apps on App Store, or you want to downgrade any apps on your Apple devices? If you do want to download older version apps or downgrade any apps, in this video, I will show how to do that. For example, open the App Store. To view any apps and the new version you downloaded, and see the history of on the apps. If you want to downgrade to old version, make sure you know what version you want to download. Sometimes, you need to install an earlier version of an app on your phone. Maybe the new one crashes. It may have introduced a new feature or a broken option, or you don't like the latest changes. On your favorite iPhone, rolling an app back is a straightforward process, and we guide you through it. Search IPA version, would you need it? For example, on this video, I would try downgrade TikTok apps to 31.0 version. Make sure you type the IPA for key search. Click the apps, then click the download link to save the IPA file. Most third-party apps can be easily removed, and system apps might not have that option. In those cases, uninstall the updates to the original app. Then sideload the IPA with Scarlet. Back to your home browser to search Use Scarlet apps. Then scroll it after you find Install button with the red font, then click that. Click Direct Install. Then click Install. Verify the Scarlet. Go to your Setting menu, General Setting, VPN and Device Management. Make it the Scarlet Apps to Trust. Open the Scarlet Apps. Click the icon like this video at the top of the right button. Find the IPA apps, want to downgrade, or you want to install the old version. Click that for installation with Sideload Scarlet. Waits the process installation. To check, go back to your home screen menu. Click Install. After the installation of old apps was completed, you can open the apps and normally used, like this video. Thanks for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment this channel, and see you next on my another video.